Are you currently working in the aftermarket performance industry? Are you experienced in EFI tuning, performance engine building, or motorsport wiring? Do you love technology, and do you always strive to keep up to date with the latest products and developments in the industry? Do you want to help improve the aftermarket performance industry, and are you passionate about educating and helping others? Do you want to live in one of the most exciting and scenic parts of the world? If you've answered yes to these questions, then we want to hear from you. HPA has been growing quickly over the last 4 years, and we're always on the lookout for people with the right skills and the right attitude to join us and let us help even more people. We have thousands of members all around the world who are hungry for information, and we constantly have requests for new courses on a wide range of different topics, including EFI, gasoline and diesel tuning, performance engine building and motorsport wiring. We're looking for skilled and experienced people who meet our criteria, and ideally you may even have a skill set that covers more than one of these areas. High Performance Academy is focused on improving the level of knowledge, skill and professionalism in the aftermarket performance industry. We pride ourselves on providing accurate information that people can rely on, and we explain technical topics in simple terms that are easy to understand. We offer a relaxed working atmosphere where our core focus is on helping our customers, and we have a loyal following of customers that love the information that we provide. Given our standing in the industry, we're also fortunate to constantly be exposed to the latest products and technologies in the aftermarket industry, allowing us to keep our finger firmly on the pulse and keep up to date. We use these products for our own in-house testing, as well as to produce technical content and videos for our various channels. Specifically, we're looking for people who already have significant experience in the industry. This isn't a beginner level position, and you would be expected to have at least 10,000 hours experience. Beyond your actual technical skills though, you'll also need to be able to explain complex topics in easy to understand language. Ideally, your skills may extend across multiple areas such as tuning and engine building, or perhaps tuning and harness construction. It's essential that you're passionate about education and helping others, and this should follow on to a desire to improve the wider aftermarket performance industry. The position will require you to present material on camera, but this is a skill that we can help you develop, so if you've never been in front of a camera before, that's okay. A willingness to learn, however, is key. You'll also need to provide forum support and write technical articles, so excellent written skills are essential, and we don't accept text lingo. Perhaps most importantly though, we understand that nobody can know everything, particularly in a complex and technical industry such as ours. At times, you may need to answer questions that are outside of your own knowledge, so an ability to research information is also essential. Since the position is based at our headquarters here in New Zealand, you will need to be able to legally work and live in New Zealand. Your working week at HPA is likely to be quite varied, which keeps things interesting. Tasks may include researching and writing technical articles, writing and producing posts for our social media channels, answering questions and supporting our members on our forum, developing and filming new courses, presenting webinars, product installation and testing, and working on our own in-house development vehicles. Combine this with track testing, and it's safe to say that there's seldom a dull moment at HPA. Since High Performance Academy is an online facility, we can be based anywhere in the world as our customers don't come to us. For this reason, we've chosen Queenstown in the South Island of New Zealand. Queenstown is New Zealand's adventure capital and is widely regarded all around the world. It's the ideal location for anyone who loves adventure or the outdoors. Queenstown provides a stunning alpine backdrop, providing world-class ski fields in winter, lakes for water sports in summer, and some of New Zealand's best tramping, four-wheel driving terrain, and mountain bike trails. Queenstown is a tourist destination, and there's always plenty to do, from a vibrant nightlife through to a wide range of restaurants, wineries and cafes. We make the most of what Queenstown has to offer, and for example, you're unlikely to find us in the office at 9 AM on a powder day, and we offer our staff flexibility to enjoy all that the region has to offer. If this all sounds like your dream job, then we want to hear from you. You can get in touch with us by clicking the link. We're negotiable on both salary and relocation costs to the right candidate, and salary will be based on your experience and your relevant skill set.